Welcome to the project demonstration of solar air purifier with wind power. So nothing but this one is going to be the hybrid power sources based air purifier. So this is the main chamber. The four sides, the air will be inlet, and that will be air inlet sucking by this system is a blower one. So it will take the air from this four sides, and there is a two filters we are using. One is a carbon filter, another is a paper filter. The paper filter will filters initial dust particles and all, and this is the outside chamber consists of, it will filter the heavy objects like papers or leaves, and inside that there is another filters like paper filters. So that will filter the many small particles, and next carbon filters are there. With that we are going to eliminate the bacteria and all. So there will get the air purifier output from this outlet. So this is operated by the 230 volts input AC, and in order to provide the 230 volts AC, we are going to making use of two sections. One is the main motherboard of circuit board for switching purpose, and another is the inverter. So the inverter will get the 24 volts input from this battery pack. So this battery pack consists of, so 1, 2, 3, 4 into like parallel battery connections. So each battery pack consists of 6 4-volt batteries, nothing but 6 into 4, 24 volts 1 amp, and 24 volts 2, 3, 4 amps. So totally 24 volts 4 amp battery pack, which is a rechargeable battery. So in order to recharge this battery, we are making use of grid connection 1 and wind and solar panels. So all are 24 volts power source only. So we are using 12 volt 10 watt 20 watt solar panel 1, and this is going to be the 12 volts 20 watt solar panel 2. So these two are connected in series, so we will get 24 volts 20 watts power. Same mannerly the dynamo also, wind power generation, has the 20 watts 24 volts generator. So these two will generate parallelly. The generator voltage will be given to the battery through these charging circuits. And also we are going to monitor the dust particles density with help of this Arduino UNO board circuit board. So here we are using PM2.5. Right. So we are using PM2.5 sensor module interfaced to the UNO board at A0 and 8th pin. So through this driver board, so it will check the dust particles. The air passes through this hole. So we can see one hole is there. So when the air passes through this hole, then it will check the dust density, and that will be measured by the UNO board and continuously displayed on the 16:2 LCD screen. And the whole this system will get the power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp battery, and which is a rechargeable battery. If you want to recharge this battery, so then connect this to 30 volts input to the socket and switch on that. There is a light indication. So it will be fully charged in a duration of 8 hours and 10 hours maximum. So after that you can disconnect the charger, and you can now switch on the main switch. This is the on off switch. Okay, so just I am providing the input for that. So just a smoke input, and when we switch on that in normal condition, so you can see that it got increasing. So when we clean up that inside that, automatically it will be comes down to normal condition. Again, right, so it increasing that, and after some time it will comes down to normal condition. So this is the how we are going to measuring the density dust particles by measuring the PM2.5 parts per million, which is greater than the 2.5 nanometers. And now coming to our main system of air purifier. So as we discussed clearly, so this is the inverter. So the inverter will take input from this battery of 24 volts to this wires, and there is a CD4047 IC which will convert DC to AC pulses. So the AC pulses are 50 Hz, and through this MOSFET we are going to step up that with the help of this step up transformer. So the step up transformer will provide us the 230 volts AC, and that is input to our main motherboard here, so which can control the AC motor inside this air like purifier motor. So in order to charge the battery with 230 volts here also, just we need to connect this to the transformer, sorry, 230 volts inputs, and connect the T at this T or S slot. Check it clearly. So now I am connected the solar panel. So solar panel is connected. So if you want to charge a battery with help of T or S, so then connect the T to the T. Right, now it is charging from the transformer. So if you connect the S to the S here, then the battery is charging with help of solar panel. And here also wind is connected at the W slot. Right. So now let us switch on the whole circuit board. So this is all about the board system. So four sides we have the purifier. Sorry, four sides the air sucking inlet is there. So now let us see the demonstration. So this is the main on-off switch for the air blower section. So previously it is showing that, and when we place in front of that, .1, 0.00, 0.0. Previously it is showing the 0.04 like that. It will be stabilized. Right.